Okay, pre-K3, for our language and literacy activity, we are working on the short vowel sounds. So, we have this little worksheet, and you're going to fill in the short vowel sounds. So first, write your name. I'm going to write my name. All right. So if you say the picture first, which is a what? A ladybug. Ugh. Ugh. Letter U. The sound is the short U sound. All right. What about this one? Really easy. Pig. Pig. So it's a letter I, the sound. That's the short I sound. So say the word again. Pig. You're saying the I. All right. What about this one? Car. Well, it really should be more like an A. Let's see. With an A. So the A short sound is a. But in this word, it is kind of a car. They really shouldn't have that word on here, just so you guys know. All right, next picture is a dog. Dog. It's an O. The sound is the short O sound. Okay, let's see about this one. That is a chicken, but it's a female chicken, which we learned about during Farm Week, so it's called a what? Hen. Hen. It's the short E sound. Like if you were to say egg, hen, it's all that short E. All right, what about this one? Yes, it looks like a cup, but it's actually a mug. It's just like this one. Bug. Mug. So it's the short U sound. All right, what about this one? That's a net. It's the short E sound. Net. Just like here. Hen. Net. All right. I think this is a bin. In. So it's just like the pig. Bin. It's the short I sound. All right. And this one is a rat. Rat. That's the short A. This is a much better example for short A than that one was. All right, last picture is a box. Easy, right? Ox. Og. It's the short O. All right, so let's read all the words together. Bug. Mug. Pig. Net. Car. Bin. Dog. Rat. Hen. And box. All right. So if you want to look at this after you filled it in and just look at the picture and say the picture and look at the word, and you can see like the sounds when you're saying them, okay? So work on that, and we're going to be doing some more short vowel sounds this week, okay? We'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.